Hello techies, we are in lab 3.1.8. We're going to select and install a network adapter. So you work as the IT administrator for a small corporate network. They accommodate specific network communication needs for an upcoming project. You need to upgrade the network connection speed for the Windows workstation located in the executive office. In this task, the lab is to install network interface from the workstation operating system. Use the pin command to confirm that the workstation has a connection to the local network and the internet system. Okay, let us start lab. And in case this video appears to be too fast for you, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that the video won't be unnecessarily too long. You can always pause the video and work at your own pace. Alright, so let's start up. Let's install the network interface. So we go into the motherboard, install network interface card with the fastest speed. So let's see which of these has the fastest speed here. Alright, from the look of things, this is the one that has the fastest speed. So we just drag and drop into the network port, and we go into the back, and then we plug in the network cable. So one end is going to come into this, and the other end is going to come into this new network card that we just plugged into this PC. So we power on the PC. And confirm that the workstation has a connection to the local network and internet using the phone. Okay, so let's see. Internet is now connected, and ping the command. So let's go into start, we're going to terminal, and we're going to ping 192.168.0.10. This is successful. Ping 192.198.28.2.5. Okay, this is successful also. Alright, so if this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.